feeling completely outstanding, ready to go to to do my action plan and go to the next level. That's it.
Thanks very much for a really profitable day. I've met a lot of interesting people. I've had a lot of new ideas to help me to improve my business.
Oh gosh, I thought today was absolutely fantastic. Once again, it's my fourth time now, and I brought my team. It gets us away from the office, gives us complete clarity on where we want to go over the next 90 days. I'd also like to congratulate Neil. I've never seen him speak before, and I thought he was really clear, really strong, lots of energy and enthusiasm. Stuart, as always, was fantastic, and is obviously my coach. I am biased, but he is the best coach and action coach. That's it. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you.
Absolutely stark raving, amazing, incredible. As the old saying goes, if the washing don't get you, the rinsing will. Don't know what that means.